Today we are stripping this Camaro. We did these straps a while back and the customer just wants to change up the look a little bit. As you can see, that's what the guys are working on. Check it out. Jacob's a stripper again today. All right, stay tuned for the final install. Here is the final install. We stripped off the gloss red stripes and replaced them with matte black. Check it out. There was not anything wrong with the gloss red stripes. The customer just decided to go with a more subtle look. Also, all of our straps are available in over 20 different colors. All right, that's all for today. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, or feel free to call or email us if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.